Hey guys, welcome to Tech with Info. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you one of the best laptops under 35k rupees, guys. Because recently, you know what is going on in the world. So many schools and colleges are shifting to online classes. That's why I'm gonna be showing you one of the best laptops you can buy it for 35k to browse internet and do them your work stuff done. And this video will be in the Telugu also. Link will be in the description for the Telugu version. Can get in the same video in Telugu also. And I'm talking too much. I'm going to be quickly going to the. Okay, guys, here is the main box itself. Backside it says the model number is M590 and I bought it for transparent silver color, and you can see some other specifications. And I got this product damaged in shipping, I guess so, but I checked the box inside. The laptop has no problem, no dent, not even a scratch. Means after that I scratched by mistake. You should be checking out the review for that. Okay, and you can be unchecked the packaging. I bought it from the Amazon and I checked it has a 10-day return policy. If you had something in your shipping problem, you can be giving it return and you can be getting a new one. Sorry, not a return policy, it's a replace policy. And you can see after opening the box it has a slogan name, in search of incredibility. This is the ASUS slogan for VIVOBOOK. I have a doubt why they named the product VIVOBOOK. I really don't know. I really wanted to know that. I searched in Google and it said weird results. Okay, fine. And here is the manual, and here again it says in search of incredibility. Means they are searching for incredibility, but they are meaning Incredible Spider-Man, I think so. Can be anything, I don't know personally. And you are getting a how to install a SSD inside your laptop. You can install 2.5mm SSD or STD. Mostly SSD doesn't exist. And I've made already a video about this, how to install it. You can click on the I button somewhere around the screen. I will be showing you how to install this 256GB SSD inside the laptop. You can click on the I button there if you want. Not only this, any laptop which supports you can add a 2.5mm SSD. It will work with that most of the time. That's why. And there is the adapter power brick. Okay, it's a little bit chunky. Yeah, it has a 3-pin adapter. And here we go. This is the power brick itself. It's a little bit chunky. But you can easily carry it up in your laptop bag. And a fun fact, it fits in 14 inches laptop bag. I tried it at least with me and my travel backpack. For more information, you should be checking out our review. Click on the description down below. Link will be in the description, or you can click somewhere the I button for our review also. And you are getting an old style pin, not a USB Type-C to charge, but it has a USB Type-C port. It's a USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 1 port, yeah, but you are not going to be charging it. It's not a two-way thing. It's only a data transfer port. Okay, data transfer port, yeah, okay, fine. I'm going to be putting it aside, and here is the main laptop itself. Definitely looks a little bit premium from the upside. Keyboard being up, not the bottom. Bottom is a little bit cringy at the best, or at the worst also. Okay, yeah, it definitely looks premium from the upside, not from the down. It looks plastic, little bit plasticky from the down. I'm gonna be telling you how to fix it also. A quick hack, like kind of that. Yeah, kind of that. And you can definitely feel it looks premium from the upside, especially. It has a silver color. Silver? No, it's not a silver paint. Yeah, it's a paint job. The painted silver, I think so. Definitely looks good. What I'm doing here? Wait a moment. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, let's test out with a one hand hinge. Means we will be trying with one hand to open it. Unluckily, you are not gonna open it from the one hand. You should be putting some weight down there to open the screen, otherwise you can't open it. And now you can see it has a chiclet style keyboard, and you're getting arrow keys, short arrow keys. That's gonna be a little bit hard to play any kind of game, and if you can be shortcut keys, link will be in description for reviews. I'm gonna be talking there how the keyboard looks and feels. Looks definitely good, but how the purpose, how it works in the real world usage. And you can see it says nano edge display. I really don't know why they are calling it nano edge, and it says feather light. This is not as feather light as possible because it's 1.9 kgs, and I think so you can easily count 1000 feathers because feather weighs around 2-3 grams. I think so. Not quote me there, but I think so. And now you can be seeing Ryzen 5 sticker also. It has a Ryzen 5 3500U, and I'm going to be quickly showing you what the IOS you are getting, and means what the ports you are getting to use, which you are going to use. I think so. Yeah. First I confused this port with a 3.5mm audio jack because I didn't expect it we were gonna have this. Actually I totally expected, but still I'm gonna say for the sake of the video I didn't expect it. Okay. Side of that, it has charging port, and it has a USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 port, and it has a HDMI out, means you can connect a HDMI port to your monitor or TV, and you can be displaying the computer there. Good, I think so, it works. Yeah, I tested it out, and you are getting a USB 3.1 Gen 1 port. Quick disclaimer, it doesn't have any type of 3.1 Gen 2 ports, and it only has 2 3.1 Gen 1 ports also. That's a big bummer for me, but still for the price of 35k it's definitely worth. And backside, you are zooming in, you can see the blower itself. It has a blower. It blows air on the processor, and you can, if you remembered, you saw a small some holes and lost there. It blows air from there out, not in, out. This is for that. And you can, this side you are going to be seeing the 2 USB 2 ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a SD card reader. I really don't know why they are providing SD card reader, because it has a 256GB storage. Personally I bought SSD one. You can get a 1TB HDD hard drive one, but I recommend going with the SSD because it improves the boot time and the speed financially better, a lot better. And the backside, this is what I'm talking about. You can clearly see a plastic wheel, and you are getting 2 bottom fire speakers. They are claiming some cool tech under it, but the speakers sound alright. Check out my review, link will be in the description. And you can be seeing the blower itself clearly. And a quick disclaimer, doesn't cover this at all because it takes air from here and blows air from the wider port, tighter holes, that's why. And it takes air from out also, but mostly it takes air from here. And I'm going to be quickly showing you how it works also. If you want to see like this more, check out my SSD installation, because this video is from SSD installation. You can clearly see it has a weird shape like this, the back panel, because the air comes here and it blows, and you can see the processor itself, and it outs from here. And the mechanism is not to get air from out because it processor needs a high cooling. I don't know how much this is efficient, but I guess it's cheap. Duh, because it's a, that's why manufacturers use that. And the backside, you can be seeing a 16 plus 2.37 amp, but in the charger it says 1.3, I guess. Okay, whatever. It has a 45 watt out input. You can put a 45 watt charger, and it says made in India. If you are a made in India fan, you are not gonna like this because it says made in China. Yeah, from where some bad things happened recently. But I'm not going to talk about that because personally I care about the value, what is this bringing it up. And now I'm going to be quickly showing you the speed. It definitely feels far more speedier, and it has a boot time of very negligible. It only has 6.80 seconds. It's approx 7 seconds only from turning on, and the fingerprint is damn hell fast. It's damn fast, I think so. You can clearly see it has a Windows Hello, the fingerprint one, not the face scanning one, because you have a fingerprint scanner. And it has a camera also, I think so. The camera is 0.3 MP. It's not even a HD camera, it's a very bad camera, but still. And now you can see the specifications. It says it has a 4 GB RAM, Ryzen 5 3500U, Vega 8 graphics, Radeon Vega mobile graphics 2.1 GHz, and we are getting a 3.45 GB out of it. Personally, I say you should be installing a extra 8 GB stick inside it after that, because you need RAM, lots of RAM. If you are doing something intensely heavy, if you are just browsing daily, just watching YouTube, some videos, it will be fine. And you are getting the ASUS My ASUS app. From there you can calibrate your display from the brightness, that kind of stuff. And you are getting a, I guess so, 1 year warranty. Yeah, around 1 year warranty you are getting from the manufacturer. You should be clearing it up. And the charging time is decent, around 1.5 hours, I guess so. I didn't test it completely, I just charged it half, and it has the low brightness and high. Pretty good, fine, not excellent, but fine. Panel is fine, not excellent, not very bad also. It definitely holds the mark. And check out my review for the entire how the battery performance is like with this. And the Ergo Inch which ASUS promised, it doesn't deliver, unluckily for us. I'm gonna be explaining it in my review, go and check it out, link will be in the description. And here you can see it has a fast shutting down time. As you can see, I just I really don't know how it calibrates it. And it has, of course, doesn't have a one hand opening feature. You should must put your two thumbs to open it, like I am using, not 2 thumbs but 1 thumb and 1 finger. Yeah, means 2 fingers. It's weird. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, you can see the time I'm recording this video is 10th June, but you can expect this video around to be released in June 20 to 25, I guess so. And I usually take 10 days, 5 to 10 days, but the video is gonna be taking some time because of some issues with my microphone. And I'm recording with this, not my permanent microphone, I'm recording this from an earphone microphone, not my standard WD-800 I had a problem in my USB card, it doesn't work, that's why. Sorry for the audio clarity. I know the audio clarity will be a little bit down, but I promise you to make it next time better. A few videos you can expect this, but I promise you for next time it will be better. And now I'm gonna go with the facial recognition. I'm gonna be showing you. See, it says Windows Hello, but after clicking it, it says your device is not compatible with facial Windows Hello face recognition. But down you can see the fingerprint recognition it has, and it recommends also. I add it also. If you just want to add it, you didn't add it in the setup process, click on the add. It says welcome to Windows Hello, press on the get started, enter your pin. I'm gonna quickly turn the camera other side and place your finger right here, it says, and there we go. I'm gonna place my finger and it happened like that. You can save and you can be removing it the same way also. It says other side remove, and I'm gonna quickly showing you the fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is weirdly placed. I prefer to be on some left or right side, not in the trackpad side, and the trackpad is a little bit mushy, but it's fine usable. Personally I use it with a mouse, but if you want you can definitely use it. Good, not perfect, average, and the viewing angles look pretty decent for the IPS LCD panel. It's just an IPS LCD Full HD panel. It definitely looks decent. The viewing angles are decent, but if you try a little bit higher or down angle, you can clearly see the reflections little bit fading out, that's why. And backside it has a plastic body, disclaimer, but by the upper side you are getting a plastic metallic finish, not the out from the middle around the keyboard. You can feel it as plastic, but it has a metal finish to it. On the back side, as you can see, I just bought it 2 days ago, and it has a bad quality because it scratches really fast, and definitely it's one of the best. And check out my review for the full review if you're buying it. Personally, in terms of specifications, it has one of the best specifications I see for around 35k rupees. Or you can go and get checking out my review. And if you want to install a SSD in it, check out my review and my SSD one, how to install it. You can install any laptop also, not only in this. And I hope you understand this.